Hello, and welcome to the Virtual Assessment and Tutoring Program developed by the Center for Multisensory Learning at Wheeling Country Day School. First of all, thank you for entering into this exciting partnership for your students and their families. This video is designed to guide you through the process of proctoring an AimsWeb assessment with a group of students. The process should be straightforward and user-friendly, and a member of our team will be live via Zoom during each assessment to help you with any questions you may have. So let's walk through the virtual checklist for proctors. Before testing, the Wheeling Country Day School facilitator should have been provided the following demographic information for each student: their first and last name, their date of birth, and identified ethnicity. Here are the things that you should provide for the students that are present before you: a charged testing device, open to the proper URL, which is aps.testnav.com. They also should be provided with headphones, pencil paper, and an index card with the provided unique student username and password. Finally, adequately distance each student from one another for the duration of the assessment. Your room setup may determine how you do this, but students may be placed in individual desks in rows, spread around a large table, or seated at shared spaces separated by cubicles. Please do not overcrowd shared areas or allow students to share screens. Also, identify a private area to complete the follow-up oral reading fluency assessment with a live facilitator via Zoom. This area should be free from distractions and noise, with a device connected to the facilitator's Zoom room prior to students beginning the oral reading assessment. During testing, begin by reading the following expectations to the students. Students should not talk during the assessment. Students should ask no test-related questions during the assessment. Technical or logistical questions are allowed, but you as a proctor may not help with anything involving the test. Students should just do their best. Students should complete the assessment in one sitting, unless otherwise determined by the proctor and facilitator. If a short break is necessary, students should quietly raise their hand so the proctor can save the progress. When finished, students should quietly raise their hand for the proctor to finalize and begin the oral reading fluency assessment. This is completed by clicking Log Out and Return in the upper right portion of the screen. The proctor should maintain a quiet, distraction-free environment during all assessments. After testing, log out of the assessment and direct students to the designated oral reading fluency assessment area. The proctor should then give students a paper copy of the provided oral reading assessment. Please do not give this paper copy before the online assessment is completed. The oral reading fluency assessment is designed to be a cold read with no practice. The proctor should ensure the student is visible to the facilitator connected via Zoom. Then the proctor may return to the main assessment area. Any student finished with the online portion but awaiting the oral reading may take part in pre-approved activities such as homework, reading a good book, or quiet games. When all students have completed the assessment, the proctor should ensure all shared devices are logged out and recharged. And that's it. You've just completed the Round 1 benchmark assessment, and these kids are well on their way to receiving the enrichment services they need. For any questions, please refer to the Proctor Checklist document or reach out directly to your Wheeling Country Day School facilitator. Thank you for your time and dedication to your children, and have a wonderful day.